Okay, we are going to discuss about simple past tense today. Now look at this past simple tense. Everyone, please get the idea first. I hope you are listening. So look at this. This is the chart. Okay, you can say the picture. Here the months are given. Okay, look, January, July, and December. So where person is, okay, exists or he is there. What is the position of the person? He is present in the present time. He is living in the present time in the month of July. But he is talking about something. Talking about something, you can see here, I drove to the beach on 24th April. So beach is there in the past time. He is getting the idea. Thinking, you can see the bubbles. He is thinking, and he is talking about some about future, past, some action that has happened. So 24th, where is the 24th April? This is the 24th April. See the arrow going back. So when the time that the action has completed in the previous time, we say it is a past. And what past? Action completed. Action completed in the previous time, we say past simple tense. So you can get an idea. And because we are not going to discuss about the future, so we will not discuss. So we are talking about the past. Here is the 24th. It means that he is referring to the past, because he say, I drove to the beach 24. He did not say, I shall drive to the beach. So it means it is not about the past. So move next. Look at this. So got it, everyone? Aisha Basharat. Listening? Good. Okay. When do we use past simple tense? For example, if you have visited your if you have visited your uncle's house and there was birthday party was going on and you want to explain it because that action has already happened and you want to explain it. So you will use the past simple tense. No, see the definition. We use past simple tense when we talk about completed actions in the past. Completed action, see, action was there, 24th April. Where is the cross? So present, where we are living in the present time. If I talk about my previous actions which already happened and completed, then we definitely I'm talking about the past. Now look at examples. I washed my car yesterday. So yesterday is the word here, the time or the keyword which tells us that the action is going to be done in the past. Yesterday refers to the past, previous time. So I washed my car yesterday. These are the sentences in examples. Another example, she ate pizza last night. She ate pizza last night. Did you eat pizza last night? Yes or no? Did you eat pizza last night? Yes or no? Those who will raise their hands, it means they didn't eat. Those who will raise their hands, it means Aisha didn't eat. Good. Alina didn't junk food. Mars junk food. Malekon was junk food. Another. Very good. Everyone didn't eat. Alina, Noor, no one. So no, it means no one likes. Very good. Good students. No, move. So I also didn't eat pizza because it's junk food. Sometimes, okay, sometimes you can eat, but not make it a habit. Now look at kinds of verbs. So you have got the definition here. We use simple tense when we talk about completed action in the past. These are the examples. So regular, how we make the second form. Walk, okay, walked, want, wanted, help, helped, decide, decided, agreed, agreed. Why I am reading this? Walk, walked. Can we use this walk? So definitely there is some important thing is there with the regular form of the verb. Regular, what we say, when we say regular, regular means all those verbs whose past form is okay ends with the ed are the same okay letters ed. So these are the regular verbs. Walk, want, help, and some other verbs are there in irregular form, just like go. We don't say goad. Do you say Nimra goad? Go goad? No. Shit. Hmm? Do you say go goad? We'll say go went. So it is an irregular form. If you say go goad, so it means it is not a irregular form. It is irregular. Why? Second, third form is a different one. If the second form, third form is the same, we will say it is a regular form. We are not discussing about the regular form or irregular form. We are discussing the past simple tense. But I'm just telling you because when you add some ed or t, so it becomes with regular verbs. In order to make the past form, you will add ed or t. So that is a past. We make the past form. We move further. Here is example: play, played, stay, stayed, study, studied, bury, buried. So these are the past forms. These are also regular forms. We will use here in the past tense. Now, what is the sentence structure? What is the sentence structure? You can see first subject, another is verb in past tense, and complement. Okay, complement. So you can say complement. You can say object. In object, it could be complement and it could be an noun. Here I have used complement. Complement is that Tom visited us last week. Okay, Tom visited. So you can see the second form of the verb is used. Second form. Before that, in simple present tense, we use the first form. Here, visited is the second form. So, visit is the first form. Here, visited is the past form. So in simple past tense, we will use past form. Okay, past form we say it is second form. When I say past form, it is second form. When I say present form, it is the first form. So in simple present time, we use present form, which we say first form. And here we have used second form, visited. I ran in the competition. Here the second form of the verb is used, ran. Okay, so we use the second form of the verb, which is past form. How we will make the negative sentence? Look at this sentence structure. First subject could be name, I, we, you, they, he, she, it. First person, second person, third person pronouns, whatever. Subject, it could be name, single name. After the subject, before the verb, you use didn't, means did not. Here is a capitalized didn't. You will not use that capitalized D-I-D-N-O-T. You can say did not. When you will write did not, don't write okay altogether separately the words did not. You can also use did not. And after this complement verb in base form. What does it mean, base form? What does it mean, base form? No, in the positive sentence, affirmative sentence, look at this. It is second form, past form. But when we say base form, it means you will use first form. Okay, you will use first form. Base form is the first form. So in negative and interrogative sentences, the form will go back to in base form. Its original form, its regular form. Like see, Tom didn't visit us last week. So it means after didn't, what happened? Visit is the form is there. Okay, didn't visit. So visit is the base form. I didn't run in the competition. Run in the base form, ran in the past form, and run is the then past participle. Okay, so move further. So for the interrogative questions, for example, so what you will do, did will helping verb did, you will use did. In the previous one, you used does and do in the simple present. Here, did you will use for all the pronouns. We use does for he, she, and its singular names, but here you will use did for all the subjects, means I, we, you, they, whatever. Verb in base form, again complement is the same. So see, did Tom visit you last week? You will bring did at the start of the sentence, then subject is the did and subject is the Tom. After this, verb is visit, verb in base form visit, and complement you last week. So that is the sentence structure, positive. Okay, and here you can see informative question. Where did you run last year? Where? So before the helping verb, you can use the question word. Okay, you can also say, why did you run last year? Okay, if you want to ask someone, okay, where did you do, whatever the question word, according to the sentence given, according to the sentence context, you can use the question word like where. So question words are always used before the helping verbs. Did, before did. Okay, like this. Now move to the this is the relevant information for the was verb. I am not discussing about the was verb. Here is an example, so you can use. So this is the exercise. I hope you would have understand the idea. So you will use the second form. Complete the following sentence with the past simple tense of the verb given. I dash go to the movies with ed. Okay, its name ed. So go or goad? Who will tell me? Aisha. Aisha saying goad. Don't use goad. Goad is the not the. I went. You will not say I go to the movies with that. So wrong. They are simple present tense. Here, everyone is going giving me answers with raising their hands. Good. So she decide or decides or decided. Okay. Don't raise your hands when I will say. Then raise. Okay. Tell me the answer. Decide or decided. If you say decided, raise your hands. Good. Everyone good. So decided, past form, past, second form. Very good. We hurried up doing the quiz. Hurried, what is the spelling? H-U-R-R-Y-E-D or Y-I-E-D. So whenever the verb end with Y, you will change it into I-E-D. Good. Next is fourth. They dash walk to school. They walk or walked. Walked. Okay, ed. I already told some verbs we make past form adding ed, and some verbs, some regular verbs, when we add t, okay, then it becomes past form. So irregular forms are like go, went, gone, come, came, come. So these are the irregular forms. They are different in form. The next is Sue dash play soccer. Play. Plays or played. Those who will say played, raise your hands. Good. Everyone is raising their hands already. My dog dash its bone outside. Bury or buried? Because question is you have to make past simple tense. For past simple tense, you use second form of the verb. So what you will say, my dog buried its bone outside. Okay, so this is the exercise. Now go to the page number 51 on the book, everyone. Page number 51. Everyone. 51. The exercise. Okay. This one. Here is the chart is given. Okay, already we have discussed. There is an exercise given on the last. Write the past form of these verb and add objects to complete the sentence. Now, example is given. We enjoyed the party. Ahmed works or Ahmed worked. Okay, you will have to complete the sentence. Ahmed worked hard. You can complete the sentence. Page number 50. 52. Go to the page number 52. Page number 52. Page 52. Here is the 52. This is the page number 52. Okay. So you will have to complete. They drink, change into past. Drink, drank. Okay, good. It occurs, it occurred. Write it. Okay. The third one, the exercise is for you. You will do it. Okay. But this exercise I am doing with you. It occurred. I plan. Yes, I plan. Yes. So you will complete the sentence as well. I just am giving you with the verb. They drank. They drank. Complete sentence. It occurred. Complete the sentence. Okay. I planned. Complete the sentence. You will complete the sentence. For example, I give you one example. I plan to go to Muscat. Okay. I plan to go to Muscat. So in this way, you will complete the sentences. They listened. The second form is they listened. Okay. They listened. What listened? They listened the news. Whatever. She studies. She studies. She studied. You will complete the sentence. They lent. They lent. You know, I told you some of the verbs you will add T. They lent. Second form of the lent is lent. You must remember, you must learn these verbs. They lent. Okay. And after this is it flops. It flopped. You braked. It's wrong. Many times you write you braked. The second form is you broke. Irregular form. You broke. What broke? You will complete sentence. They let. Okay. They. Yes, who will make? Let. Let is second form. Let. Okay. Let us go. And next is laborers dig. What is dig? Dug. Laborers dug. So you will complete the rest of the information with the sentences. I have told you the verbs. Now here is one question. So only 1 minute is left. I will upload the task as well on the Google Classrooms. So you will complete this exercise, right? See the question, answer the following question, replying using both affirmative and negative statements. The first one has been done for you. Okay, you will make the affirmative negative sentences of the questions. You can do it now. Already I have given you the second form you use, did not for the negative. Okay, dear students, I hope you would have done. Take care of yourself. See you in the next classroom. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.